Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's mum cooking time. No, it's cook with mom time, and I asked what you would want her to cook, and the most popular response was whatever she wants to cook, her favorite things. So I have picked up one of her favorite things to eat, one of my favorite things to eat as well, and that is just basic home style chicken curry. Hana? There is no other way to explain it. It's just her way of cooking chicken curry. Perfect for a weekend. Enjoy it with your family. It's a simple curry and the chicken is cooked slowly in the sauces and the spices, and it's a beautiful dish to serve with lots of rice or some roti.
Some roti, paratha.
Paratha. Right, let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time we share a new recipe. Going to start with, I haven't got large onions, so 5 medium-sized onions. I'm just going to finely chop them. So adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil of your choice. We like to use sunflower oil or rapeseed oil. And let it get hot first. So she's using some whole spices which are very different to what I would add for a chicken curry, which is very interesting. Never noticed it before. Some cloves, 4 to 5. 1 black cardamom. If you can't find this, you'll have to skip it because it's a unique flavor which only black cardamom can kind of provide. And a stick of cinnamon.
Jeera.
Oh, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then the chopped up onions. For how long? 10 minutes, 10 minutes?
गुलाबी होने तक, थोड़ा सा हल्का गुलाबी होने तक.
So 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to chop up 4 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger, finely chop it till then. And once they are just kind of softened up and turning golden, so she's not waiting to let it turn totally golden like I do. It's just there's hardly any color, but they've softened up nicely. I'm going to add the chopped up ginger and garlic. I'm going to cook this for 2 minutes. So it's been total of around 7-8 minutes and it's got a light color. The garlic ginger has cooked really nicely with the onions. What next?
टमाटर डालेंगे.
So we've chopped up 4 tomatoes, just roughly chopped them up. Okay, so her tip is to put half a teaspoon of salt right now so that the tomatoes soften up quicker. Never knew that, and I've never used that tip before. So obviously I use very different spices in the beginning when she put the whole spices. I use different whole spices, she's using different whole spices. Also the tip of adding salt once the tomatoes are cooking to soften them quicker is something I've never heard before. So that is very interesting. अब कितनी देर cook करेंगे?
ये थोड़े से टमाटर गल जाएं.
हाँ. So we're cooking this for 5 minutes until the tomatoes have softened. And then spices. No, not spices. What?
Chicken.
Okay, first chicken. Yes, I prepped the chicken. Come, I'll show you. So this is a whole chicken which has been chopped into pieces. It was 1.5 kilos, I think, and I just get my butchers to chop it up because I like all sorts of pieces of the chicken for the curry. So you can see that the tomatoes have completely broken apart and it's only taken 5 minutes. So that was pretty quick. Now I'm going to just throw in all the chicken pieces. You can use only thighs, you can use only chicken legs, but make sure that it's on the bone and no skin. Needs to not have skin on it. Now, yep, okay, and some yogurt. And before she starts mixing, I'm going to throw in 100 grams of natural yogurt, just plain natural yogurt.
फिर मसाले डाल देंगे.
Okay, once we've mixed it fully, after that the spices will go in. So we've already added half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to add another 3/4 teaspoon of salt. और क्या spices?
मिर्च, धनिया, हल्दी.
A teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. A teaspoon of chili powder. You can also add whole green chilies if you want like a really spicy one. The last thing to go in is a teaspoon of, actually this is made by her, it's her own homemade garam masala, and the recipe of that is actually on the channel. She made it last time she was visiting. So that's all the spices are mixed. And now all that's left to do is mix it up. So the spices have been mixed up. I'm adding 150 ml of just plain water. I usually never add water, but I'm not cooking. So mix and then cover and cook this for good 45 minutes on low heat. So I need some potatoes for my dad who doesn't eat meat, but he will eat potatoes from the chicken curry. So I've just got these overgrown sprouted potatoes, and before anybody tells me that I shouldn't eat it, I always eat them and it's absolutely fine. Just break the sprouts away and then these are edible. So yeah, I'm still alive after eating them many times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use actually four potatoes, peel them and just half them. So this has been cooking for exactly 30 minutes. My mom's gone down to sit and have a cup of tea, so I've taken over for the potatoes. I have peeled 4 smallish medium-ish potatoes, and after 30 minutes, which is now, I'm going to add these into the curry. So this is not cooked yet, right? And I'm just going to chop these into 2s and add them in, and I'm going to continue to cook this for another 20 minutes. If you can like kind of make sure that they are soaking in the curry, that would be awesome. I'm still cooking this on low heat, so just to let you know. And I just can vouch that it smells incredible. It's been a total of 50 minutes, 40 before, 20 after adding, no, that makes it an hour. Okay, no, half an hour first and then half an hour first and then basically 50 minutes it's been cooking and it's ready. Now time to turn this off. It smells incredible. I've chopped up some fresh coriander for finishing this. If you have time, if you make any chicken curry, if you can let it sit for an hour or 2 hours, that would be amazing. So it's still daytime and we've made this for dinner. So it's going to get 3 hours to sit in the juices and that makes it. आप इसको छोड़ दो तो ज़्यादा स्वाद हो जाता है बाद में.
सिम पे कर दो और उसको
नहीं बनने के बाद हाँ बनने के बाद छोड़ दो ज़्यादा टेस्टी हो जाता. It becomes tastier. Right, I'm going to plate this up and taste करेंगे ना अपन. Right, so I'm just gonna get some of these out in here. So I'm gonna put some of the coriander in here and then put the rest on. It's a lot, I know, but we all love coriander, so there you go. क्या बनाएंगे अपन, राइस या रोटी? क्या बनाएंगे आज?
बच्चे जो खाना पसंद करेंगे, है ना?
Mom saying whatever the kids want, basically. Obviously, bachche includes me. That's my son who is taking a video. Oh my god. Oh. बहुत स्वाद बनी है. Oh.
टेस्टी एंड लाइट. नो मसाला, नो heaviness बिल्कुल नहीं है. बिल्कुल लाइट.
The chicken is, you love it, you. That is so good. That is so good. I really hope you're gonna give this a go. I would suggest have it with some rice, make some papad, have some yogurt on the side, and go for it. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and I'll see you back here with another recipe cooked by this one. very soon. So take care. Bye for now.